channel. So today also I brought question from profit and loss. For this week, for 8 to 10 days, more than 1 week, I'm going to do problems related with profit and loss. This high demandable question and maximum student asked me to do this profit and loss, so I'm doing. If you have any kind of problem related with profit and loss, please comment your question. I will upload, I will solve that problem, and I will upload as soon as possible. Okay, now we have a one question. Krishna had purchased a TV set for rupees 25,000. Okay, purchase about the TV. Purchase means CP. CP is given how much there? Cost price 25,000. After 2 years, he sold it at a loss of 5,000. Means after 2 years, while selling that TV set, he got loss how much? 5,000. What was its selling price? We have to find out SP. At what price he sold that TV and what percent did he loss? We have to find out loss. Formulas are very important, which I uploaded on previous episodes. A complete formula of profit and loss topic is there. You can watch that video if you till now you don't know the formula. And if you are new, please subscribe, share, like with your friends. And this exercise is very important, so please share with your friends too. Okay, let's start. Krishna had purchased a TV set for rupees 25. Purchased means CP. Cost price is equal to rupees 25,000. CP is equal to 25,000. And after 2 years, he sold it at a loss of 5,000. Loss is given here. Loss is equal to rupees 5,000. What was its selling price? We have to find out SP is equal to what? And what percent did he loss? Loss is here, so definitely loss percent we have to find out. Okay. Now, we have to use SP formula. What is the formula of SP? CP minus loss. CP is equal to 25,000 minus loss is equal to 5,000 is equal to, when you subtract this, we get 20,000. He sold at what price? At 20,000. He bought that television TV set at rupees 25,000. Means CP is equal to 25,000 and loss is equal to how much here? 5,000. After 2 years, while selling that TV set, he got how much loss? 5,000. So at what price he sold that TV set? SP we have to find out. SP is equal to formula CP minus loss. Okay. CP is equal to 25,000, loss is equal to 5,000. When you subtract, we get SP. Selling price is equal to 20,000. And after this, we have to find out loss percent. What is the formula of loss percent? Loss percent is loss by CP into 100%. Loss is equal to 5,000. The value of CP is equal to 25,000 into 100%. While solving this, we get loss percent divided by 25000. 20%. So 20% loss. Hope you understand. Here I gave you formula loss is equal to CP minus SP. To find out value of selling price, SP you have to take to the left and loss you have to take to the right side. Here is minus SP, so it will be plus, and here is positive loss, so while taking another side it will be minus negative loss. We have to change the sign while interchange the place. Thanks for watching my video.